Good afternoon. My name is Clarence. This video here is more of a informational video about brake fluid, when to add brake fluid, when not to add brake fluid, and your brake fluid level. One of the things that most people want to do when their brake fluid drops and it gets low is add fluid. Well, your vehicle don't use brake fluid, so you should never add fluid. If it's dropping low, it's probably because you got worn brake pads or shoes and you need to have them replaced. What I have here is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. And this is more of an informational video. And I'm gonna see if I can take you over here and show you the master cylinder. This is the master cylinder for this vehicle right here. And if you see the fluid level is low, well, that don't mean add fluid, because if you add fluid, when you get your pads changed, what's gonna happen is it's gonna overflow. So you don't wanna never add brake fluid. You wanna get your brake pads checked to see if you need to replace them. Okay, so the level is right here. The full mark is up here. So evidently on this particular vehicle, I need to replace the front and the rear pads, or at least check them and see which one needs to be replaced. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Also, normally on the cap of your master cylinder or where you put your brake fluid in at, it's going to say whether it's dot 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Make sure you use the proper brake fluid that your particular vehicle calls for. This particular vehicle is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. The fluid level is low, and evidently what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to go ahead and replace the brake pads on it. Okay, check them and replace them. And once you replace them, the fluid will rise back up into the master cylinder. That's why you don't add. Okay. Other than that, that was more of a informational video. My name is Clarence. Look me up on my page. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, however you see it, and I'll see you at the next video. Until then, you can subscribe to my channel, follow me, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.